Hi guys! Some of you had asked me how to make a cake in an air fryer. So here's how. I'm using this Instant Vortex Plus air fryer, and that has a basket which holds 6 quarts. I will be putting up a full review of this air fryer on my Best Kitchen Reviews channel, so subscribe if you want to see that review. I'm using this metal pan in the 6 quart basket. This is an 8-inch pan and is about 3 inches in height. As for the type of pan, you can use metal or glass pans in this air fryer. Use soft butter or oil to grease your pan on the bottom and the sides. It's best to line it with parchment paper. I like to buy them already cut into these 8-inch rounds. They're very convenient. For the dry ingredients, we'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, and unsweetened cocoa powder. To avoid any lumps, put baking powder and baking soda into a strainer and sift it into the flour. Mix that up really well. Add the flour, baking soda, and baking powder into a bowl and sift in the cocoa powder. Whisk this all to combine. Add the sugar and stir it in. For the wet ingredients, we'll need whole milk. Add vinegar to it and let it sit for a few minutes while you're preparing the other ingredients. This is a buttermilk substitute and gives you a moist cake. We'll also need oil, a large egg, vanilla extract, and water. Pour the oil into the milk. Add the egg. Boil the water in the meantime. Add the vanilla extract and whisk it all to combine. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and pour in your milk mixture. Stir to combine. Once the flour is all mixed in, add the boiling water little by little. Stir well until completely smooth. Here's our nice glossy chocolate cake batter. The batter is thin and that is how it's supposed to be, so don't worry. Pour the batter into the parchment-lined cake pan. Choose bake on your air fryer and we'll need to preheat the oven. Set the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 28 minutes. Most air fryers will take 1 to 2 minutes to preheat and it'll usually beep. When it's done preheating, pull the basket out. It is hot inside, so carefully put the cake pan in. It's best to use oven mitts or a cloth. Whatever size pan you use, there should be a little bit of space around it in the basket. Insert the basket and the air fryer will start cooking. After 28 minutes, the cycle is finished. Pull the basket out. I'll insert a toothpick into the center of the cake to see if it's done. It's still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna put the basket back and cook it for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the cake is ready. The toothpick came out clean. You can see the edges of the cake have pulled away from the pan. Take the cake out of the basket carefully. It is hot. Cool it on a rack. When the cake is cool, use an offset spatula and go around the sides. You can also just gently pull away from the sides. Use a cake board or the back of a sheet tray and just flip the cake over. It'll come out easily. Peel the parchment off and put the cake on your cake stand. You see how sturdy the cake is? I can even just hold it with my hand. I'll cut you a piece and show you how it looks on the inside. It is extremely moist. It doesn't even need frosting, but if you want to use frosting, I'll leave a link below to the chocolate frosting that I used for my chocolate banana cake I did recently. Now you know how to make a cake in an air fryer very easily. I hope you give it a try and let me know how you like it. See you next time. Thanks for watching.